Okay, so here's the math that we're going to be doing today. Please copy this down quickly. I'm just kidding, that's way advanced. That's not what we're actually up to today. So today we're talking about properties of logarithms. Swab it! Student will be able to use properties of logarithms to simplify logarithms. Okay, take a look at this chart right here. Sound is measured in logarithms. You can see from this logarithm chart, anything louder than a lawnmower and you're causing permanent damage to your hearing. There is no such thing as a power tool that won't cause hearing damage, so please wear ear protection. Logarithms to chart anything that goes from the very small to the very large. Earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, and the price of German money right before World War II when they literally had to take a wheelbarrow of cash to go buy a loaf of bread. Logarithmic graph of government spending. You can see in 1970 it started to take off pretty good, and it's getting even more exponential now. Good morning. Okay, so today we're doing properties of logarithms, and my daily learning objective is swab it. Student will be able to use properties of logarithms to simplify logarithms. So logarithms have properties. That way we can add them and we can subtract them and do cool stuff like that. And if you remember exponents, on exponents, whenever we were multiplying them, side by side adds. Okay? So when we first started exponents, we had something like x squared times x cubed equals, you just added these two little guys and you got x to the 5th power. All right, well, if side by side adds when you're multiplying, then multiplying should add when you're doing it backwards, and that's exactly what happens. The logarithm of a product can be written as the sum adding of the logarithms of the numbers. So, log 8 of 4 plus log 8 of 16. How do you do that? Well, you do it like this, okay? Log 8, and they have to have the same base, of 4 plus log 8 of 16 equals. All right. Well, since both of those would have been a decimal, if you do it like this, you get a nice pretty answer. Log 8 of 4 times 16. Oh, well, right, it's 4 times 16. Okay, that is 64. Log 8 of 64. Okay, now you read it like this. 8 to what power is 64? Well, let's see, 8 times 8 is 64. So log 8 of 64 is 2. Easy.